Inhale deeply, feeling the life-giving air fill your lungs, and exhale slowly, letting go of tension and doubt. With each breath, remember that you have a right to be here, in this moment, in this space. You belong to the rhythm of the world, and your presence is a vital part of its harmony. Embrace your existence with confidence, knowing that every breath you take is a testament to your worth and significance. You are deserving of every opportunity, every joy, and every experience that life offers. As you inhale, feel the energy of the universe flowing into you, filling every corner of your being with vitality and purpose.
Breathe out and release any lingering fears or uncertainties, letting them dissipate into the ether.
Each breath is a reminder that you are an integral part of this vast, intricate world, and your existence is both meaningful and necessary. You have a right to be here, to occupy your space with grace and confidence. Embrace each moment with a sense of belonging and gratitude, for you are a unique and irreplaceable piece of the greater whole. You are deserving of every opportunity, every joy, and every experience that life offers.